Hi guys, I'm Ian, and I thought it was about time I did another 3D printing update. So, what have I been up to since the last time I did an update? I spent a couple of days down at TCT, and hopefully you'll have seen the videos down on the channel, myself and Tom, Filament Frenzy, and I had a really good time down there and got to spend a good deal of time with our buddies at Fillamentum, which was really good. Okay, so very quickly, a couple of other things that I've been up to since the last update. The first one here is the, you see it there. This is my remix of the Wellbot, and this is Well Tommy, I guess, because it's Robo Tommy. Based on that, and then I essentially created a new head for it, new ears, and then the body. I actually took the arms and the legs off the original and created a round, because Robo Tommy is round. Body, it's with the Robo Tommy lettering on it. I then had to take on the feet, I had to actually swivel them round because the legs are askance just to be able to stand up, which meant I had to flatten those off as well. And then the original again had a tie, so I switched that to a bow tie. Somebody once said that bow ties are cool. I'm not sure I agree. And then the other thing that I've done, and I've printed this before, but this is the my Filament Frenzy kind of bottle. And what I did, the original print that I did was in Protopasta High 5 Blue, but what I had was some issues around the top around the thread, because I just tried to do it as a solid model and then just perimeters, and I guess that thread's just a bit too coarse and a bit too deep, so it didn't quite handle it. So now I've sunk in slightly into the model, so it just means that it allows me to do the thread properly, and that's the lid. So that is printed in the Protopasta purple. So that's the metallic purple. It's Galactic Empire metallic purple, and then the lid, which I just apparently can't get back on, there, printed separately. Okay, so if you made it this far, thanks a lot for watching. I really do appreciate it. I really would appreciate it if you give the video a thumbs up if you liked it. Comment down below. I'm always really keen to see comments, and I do try to answer everyone when I eventually see them. I'm not the best at doing that. If you like the content overall, please subscribe, and I'll catch you next time, guys.